Hi everybody, I am M. Naresh, doing as English and Life Skills Trainer at Government Tribal Welfare Ashram School, Chilakalagadda, Visakhapatnam District. Now I would like to tell about phrases used in writing formal letters and emails. Nowadays, there is no getting away from formal letters and emails, especially in business. Emails and formal letters are the most widely used forms of communication. Some phrases used in writing formal letters and emails. They are also very useful to communicate our messages nicely. Now we see the below options for using the phrases in formal letters and emails. Phrases for writing a formal letter and emails. In this situation, we have to use the below options: Dear Sir, Madam, and Dear Mr. and Mrs. in the bracket surname. In the beginnings, with reference to our telephone conversation yesterday about thank you for your email regarding I am writing on behalf of I am writing to draw your attention to. These are the beginning part for phrases for writing a formal letter and emails. Making a request. I would appreciate if you could. I would be most grateful if you would. Would you be so kind? And I was wondering if you could. Apologizing. We apologize for any inconvenience caused. Please accept our sincere apologies. Complaining. I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with. I find it most unsatisfactory that I would like to complain about. These are for apologizing and complaining. Ending. In the part of ending, we have to use the below phrases. I look forward to hearing from you. If you require any further information, please don't hesitate to contact me. Please feel free to contact me if you have further questions. These are for ending. The signing off. In the part of sign, we use yours sincerely, dear and name, and yours faithfully, dear sir and madam. These are for signing off. The reasons for writing phrases. These are the below options. Inquiry, to ask for information. In this form, we have to use I am writing to provide the information you requested. And request, to ask someone to do something. In this part, we use could you possibly? I would be grateful if you could. Apology. In this mean to say sorry. I am writing to apologize. Complaint. To complain about a problem. In this form, we have to use I am afraid that. Closing remarks. In this closing remarks, we use thank you for your help. Please contact us again if we can help in any way. Please contact us again if there are any problems. Please contact us again if you have any question. I would appreciate your immediate attention to this matter. If you require any further information, feel free to contact me. Should you need any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me. Referring to future contact, I look forward to your reply. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to seeing you. We hope that we may continue to rely on your valued custom. We look forward to a successful working relationship in the future. The finish. In the finishing part, we use the follow phrases. Yours faithfully. In this form, we use faithfully means if you don't know the name of the person you are writing to, yes, yours faithfully. Yours sincerely if you know the name of the person you are writing to. Best wishes and best regards. If the person is a close business contact or friend, we use the phrase as best wishes and best regards. These are the finishing phrases for formal letters and emails and use in the part. Thank you all Naipunya Vikasam viewers. I am M. Naresh. Thank you once again. Thank you.